Well, with Rajnath Singh taking office today as Home Minister, the void at the top of the Bharatiya Janata Party is finally real. They've been discussing it all this while, but now with Rajnath Singh actually becoming the Greh Mantri, the Home Minister, that void is very real. After heading the party in that turbulent journey to power, and he's really happy about it, who will keep the ship on even keel for the Modi Sarkar?
Well, it seems to be a three-horse race right now, with even Amit Shah's name doing the rounds. But would the BJP really want to place Modi's man in the full public glare of such a position? This report tells you everything you need to know.
With Rajnath Singh having taken over as the country's Home Minister, the race for the BJP President's chair is open.
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ.
Even before he took charge of Home Affairs, Rajnath Singh met senior RSS leaders on Wednesday to discuss the choice of the new BJP president. Sources say Singh even met Prime Minister Narendra Modi to discuss the matter. There are three names in contention for the post of the BJP president. The first being Party General Secretary JP Nadda. A state unit leader of the BJP from Himachal Pradesh, Nadda entered national politics in 2010 and is the front-runner for the post. The other name doing rounds is that of Modi's aide and BJP's Gujarat in charge, Om Mathur. He has been party loyalist and also been the General Secretary of the BJP. Narendra Modi's trusted lieutenant Amit Shah is also in the running to be the BJP president. Sources say, however, that the RSS may not be in favour of him being the BJP boss. It is not just the post of the party president. With most of the old BJP functionaries, the BJP will have to go in for an organizational overhaul. Bureau Report, headlines today.
Now, the last time Amit Shah was seen in public was over 72 hours ago. So where is he? What is up with the man who has been credited with delivering Uttar Pradesh and truly turning the tide for Modi's enormous election victory?
I think people are so used to seeing him so much, they've got a little bit of a withdrawal symptom with him disappearing for 72 hours. He likes working behind the scenes, let's face it. But there's huge interest in where he's actually going to end up. Could Amit Shah be rewarded with a prestigious appointment in the party or the Prime Minister's office? Or could he remain truly powerful, where he likes it, behind the scenes, on the lines of perhaps even an Ahmed Patel? We tell you more.
He is the most trusted man of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the architect of BJP's thumping victory in the Hindi heartland. Known for his organizational deftness, he resurrected a downcast party in Uttar Pradesh and delivered a record win of 72 seats for the BJP. And now, Amit Shah is a front-runner in the race to be the next president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, a post that is vacant after Rajnath Singh's appointment as the Home Minister. Although Amit Shah's past is coloured with controversies relating to his alleged involvement in a fake encounter and snooping, his meteoric rise within the party rank and his proximity to Narendra Modi may swing things in his favour to be the next top boss of the BJP. Bureau Report, headlines today.